Welcome to the tutorial for FreeScanTrak Nova. I'm Yang from Shining 3D, and I'm here to guide you through the setup process. Before we started, we have already paired the wireless connection for your scanner. Follow these steps to get connected. Plug in the power of scanner and tracker and the router, then use the Ethernet cable to connect your computer directly to the router, and you can start scanning. In case you need to change the router or the scanner can't get connected wirelessly, I will show you how to pair the scanners to the router. Connect the scanner and the tracker to the hub and ensure that they are powered on. Then connect to your computer and to the router using the Ethernet cable. In the top right corner of the software interface, click on the connection guide. Choose wire pair, input the SSID and password of your router. Then click confirm. You will see a success note. Now unplug the Ethernet cable and plug in 2 batteries of UE Nova, 1 battery of TE Nova. Press the power button, wait a few seconds to start, and you can see the connection has switched to wireless mode. That wipes the wired and wireless setup. The next tutorial I will show you the calibration process. Thank you for watching.